Ever feel like your Oberlo dropshipping store is stuck in first gear? You're seeing some sales, maybe even a decent profit, but you know it has the potential to be so much bigger. You see those success stories online, the stores pulling in massive revenue, and you think, why not me? Well, you're in the right place. Scaling a dropshipping business isn't just about throwing more money at ads. It's a strategic game of optimization, automation, and understanding your audience inside and out. Think back to when you first started your store. You probably spent hours researching products, setting up your Shopify site, and learning the basics of Oberlo. You were in the startup phase, focused on getting those initial sales. Now, you've proven your concept, you have some data, and you're ready to level up. But where do you even begin? The path to scaling can seem overwhelming, filled with potential pitfalls and costly mistakes. That's why we're going to break down the key strategies you need to implement to take your Oberlo dropshipping store from a side hustle to a significant source of income. First things first, let's talk about doubling down on what's already working. You've likely had some products that have performed better than others. Don't just let those winners sit there. Analyze why they're successful. Is it the product itself, your marketing efforts, the pricing? Dig deep into your Oberlo and Shopify analytics. Identify your best-selling products, the demographics of your buyers, and the marketing channels that are driving the most conversions. Once you have this data, you can start to optimize. Consider creating product bundles with your top sellers to increase average order value. Explore offering variations or related products to cater to a wider range of customer needs. Next up, let's address traffic. You can't scale without more eyeballs on your products. While organic traffic is great, paid advertising is often the key to rapid growth. But simply boosting posts won't cut it. You need a strategic approach. Dive deeper into platforms like Facebook and Instagram ads. Utilize their advanced targeting options to reach highly specific audiences who are most likely to be interested in your products. Experiment with different ad formats, from image ads to video ads to carousel ads. B-test your ad copy and creatives to see what resonates best with your target audience. Don't forget about other platforms like Google Ads or even TikTok if your products align with that demographic. Remember, scaling your ad spend needs to be data-driven. Track your conversion rates, cost per acquisition, and return on ad spend (ROAS) meticulously. If an ad campaign isn't profitable, cut it. If it is, explore how you can scale it intelligently. Beyond paid ads, think about diversifying your traffic sources. Explore the power of email marketing. Building an email list is crucial for long-term customer engagement and repeat purchases. Offer incentives for visitors to subscribe to your list, such as discounts or exclusive content. Then, nurture your leads with valuable content and targeted product promotions. Consider implementing SMS marketing for another direct line of communication with your customers. Influencer marketing can also be a powerful way to reach new audiences. Partner with influencers in your niche who have an engaged following that aligns with your target market. Now, let's talk about the backbone of your operation, your website and customer experience. As you scale, the little quirks and inefficiencies that were manageable with a few orders can become major roadblocks. Ensure your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Optimize your product pages with high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and clear calls to action. Streamline your checkout process to minimize cart abandonment. Customer service becomes even more critical as your order volume increases. Happy customers are repeat customers, and they're also more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your store to others. Invest in efficient customer support systems. Consider hiring a virtual assistant or using customer service software to handle inquiries promptly and professionally. Proactive communication about shipping updates and potential delays can go a long way in building trust. Automation is your best friend when scaling. Look for areas in your business where you can automate repetitive tasks. Oberlo itself automates the product import and order fulfillment process, but there's more you can do. Explore apps that automate email marketing, social media posting, and even inventory management. Although with dropshipping, inventory management is less of a direct concern, keeping track of supplier stock levels is still important. The more you can automate, the more time you'll free up to focus on strategic growth initiatives. Finally, let's touch on branding. As you scale, it's important to develop a strong brand identity that sets you apart from the competition. This includes your logo, your website design, your brand voice, and the overall experience you provide to your customers. A strong brand builds trust and loyalty, making it easier to attract and retain customers as you grow. Consider investing in professional branding services if you feel this is an area where your business is lacking. Scaling an Oberlo dropshipping store is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and learn. By focusing on understanding your data, strategically driving traffic, optimizing your customer experience, and leveraging automation, you can unlock the true potential of your business and achieve the growth you've been aiming for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.